Assalamualaikum. Kelas Pempek Palembang di Lembaga Kursus Ita Yudhistira. Penasaran sama pempek Palembang? Dengan banyak variannya, lengkap dengan cukonya? Yuk bergabung di kelas Pempek Palembang di Lembaga Kursus Ita Yudhistira. Semua diajarkan dari pemilihan bahan, proses pembuatan, tip triksnya, anti gagal, dan layak jual. Materinya, pempek kapal selam, pempek telur kecil, pempek lenjer besar, pempek lenjer kecil, pempek keriting, dan pempek pistel. Yang digoreng, pempek adaan, pempek kulit, pempek tahu, lengkap nih dengan cukonya. Asam, manis, pedas, segar sekali. Buruan bergabung, hubungi Ita Yudis 0813 6770 2798.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. Will my love